Good evening, everyone. Ignore the hat and the hoodie. I've just been to the gym, so ignore all of that. As you can see by the title, we're going to be letting ChatGPT decide our trades on a prop firm challenge, right? What we're going to be doing is opening up a prop firm challenge. So the prop firm that we're going to be using is GoatFundedTrader. So they do a scheme where it's pass and then pay, right? So you pay $5 or $10, whatever it is up front, then that's to have any account. Then you pay the actual fee for the whole account once you've passed, right? So we're going to have a little look and dive into what the challenge looks like. And yeah, we'll just hop on now. Right, so we are on GoatFundedTrader. You can find the link in the description for the challenges and a little discount code down below. So yeah, basically what we've got here, 16 million in paid rewards, $2,180 in average reward, which is incredible, and 250,000 plus traders using GoatFundedTrader, which is insane, right? So they've got multiple steps. They don't have on here, for some reason, they don't have the pass and pay later scheme on their models here. But what I do really like, and I have got a instant funded, and just look at it, guys. It's so cheap, right? So you can go for a 25k. That's $159, right? That's instant funding. Pay, get the details within at least 10 minutes, and you're ready to go. Maximum daily loss of 3%, maximum loss 6%, right? So what I would do, get the instant funding, I'd risk half, right? Just see if you can get a little bit of money back, and then you can trade how you want. It's just insane, right? 2 steps are all good as well, relatively cheap. I say 100k, $229 for a 2-step. Profit target for phase 1, 8%. Profit target phase 2, 6%, right? But for me, if you're more confident, just jump onto the instant, right? Right, so we are currently on the pass first, pay later page. So what you want to do is just claim your account, and then it will just jot you down to this bit here. Right, so what we're going to do, like see, look, 100k account, $5, right? Just to get you started, target of 4%, right? Daily drawdown, none in the step 1, and maximum drawdown is 8%, which is insane. That is insane. Minimum trading days 1 day, leverage up to 1 to 100, which is insane, guys. Really, really good. Got news trading, very good. Weekend holding, very good. So they pretty much got it all. The profit split's really good, 80%, or you can add it to get to the 100%. It's just genuinely up to you guys, really. How confident you are, 80% or 100%, right? I normally go for the 80%, to be fair. But good thing is, if you pass one on the 80%, then the next one essentially can get paid for from your other account, and then just risk that one to be, or put 100% as an add-on for that one. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go and purchase the account for just the $5, and then we're going to start the 50k challenge. Right, as you can currently see, we are into our account here. Literally within 30 seconds, we got the credentials come through, which is fantastic. And this cost me $5, right? So once passed, you pay afterwards, right? If you do fail, it's only cost you $5, right? That's insane. You can easily recoup that. That's not a problem, right? So as you can see, live 50k. And yeah, we'll see how it goes with the trading. Right, so we are currently on the charts here. To have a little bit more fun, I'm going to go on to the 15-minute on pound dollar. Predominantly, I think I'm going to be using pound dollar just to potentially try and pass this challenge. As you can see here, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a copy of the image here. I'm just going to put that into ChatGPT, so I'll do that now. Right, so we're just going to copy and paste our screenshot of our chart here, and we're going to ask for a entry. Can you simple, can you give me an entry onto this chart? We'll see what ChatGPT does. Buy the pullback, buy around this area here. Stop loss below, take profit the first one, take profit 2 if breakout continues, right? Alternative setup if that's a breakout. And right, let's just see. So bias is bullish. Best play, buy the dip, not the top, right? Simple knowledge. If you want, I can mark up visually refined. So rule-based entry, nice. Right, market structure is bullish. So what we're going to do, We're going to buy around this area and we're going to stop loss around here. And I think I'm going to take that take profit here. So let's just look on the charts and see what that looks like. Right, so back on the charts, let's just put our entry tool here. And let's just see how this one plays. Right, so buy around here. Right, 1.324. All right, so we're looking at this area here. Stop level of 1.3220. Stops of 20 pips by the looks of it. Take profit of 1.3270. So that is a 1 to 1.5. And what I will be doing, I'm going to be double risking on this challenge, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to work out my stops, and then I'm going to just enter on this trade. Right, so checking my position size calculator, it's opted in for a 5 lot size dead on. So I'm just going to be putting that in here into my account, which is GBP USD. Let me just find that here. Right, so let's just enter into this trade and put into a buy limit. Put in the necessary details to 7. Right, as you can see here, I'll just take a screenshot. Right, as you can see on the screen, you have a screenshot of the entry, and we'll see how this one potentially plays out. Right, I will update you guys as we get closer to the entry, or if it stops us out or goes to take profit. So I'll update you then. Okay, so it is the following day, as you can see by the chart right behind me. We didn't get filled. The charts went a little bit crazy after the Iranian and US peace deal was agreed. So as you can see from here, yeah, we was never tagged in. Entry was good, I guess. Got the right direction, and then put it up to here. That would have been a 12.2% trade. So we'll just clear this one off. And then what we're going to do, we're going to hop onto ChatGPT and see if that can give us another entry on this chart. Right, okay, so we've just asked ChatGPT to give us another entry on the pound dollar, 15-minute, and trade idea, buy the dip, similar to what we had before. And then you've got aggressive options, and this is a safer and confirmation. All right, look for bullish engulfing, strong wick rejection, entry after confirmation. Right, what else do we have? All right. Refine. Let's see if we can refine this setup. Let's just ask it to delve a little bit deeper. Right, so we have our trade idea from ChatGPT. So let's jump onto the markets and put it in. Right, we're back onto the charts of pound dollar on the 15-minute. Let's just take our risk to reward tool here and put in our entry. So 1.338. We then have our stops 1.3365, and then we have our take profit 13425. 1 to 3. And what we'll be doing, I'll be taking this trade on the funded challenge. Right, so I've just placed it on our challenge account, as you can see here. The 50k order placed onto that risk to reward. So I'll update you if we get filled or if we just get taken out, or if whatever happens to this trade, if it goes without us or whatever. I'll keep you updated. Right guys, so unfortunately I never actually filmed this following trade take place and put it into the market, but I do have screen evidence of the ChatGPT request, and I'll just put that on the screen now, just so it doesn't look a bit dodgy and a little bit fishy. So yeah, it's on the screen. Right, okay, so I thought I'd just update you. It's now currently the 16th of April, and I thought you'd just hop on and show you how we've been trading with this AI, and if we passed or if we failed. So let's hop straight onto the charts and have a look. Right, so as you can see, we are currently on the pound dollar 15-minute. I asked for that trade. I'm pretty sure I did show you the credentials and whatever it said to get in, so the buy limit, the stops, and the take profit. So it was a 1 to 2. So over the weekend we got gapped and filled. Got quite close to the stops. Let's just have a look on where this. About 6 pips off the stop. So I was quite impressed, to be fair, because it got filled. Didn't get taken out on spread or anything like that at that time. So props to GoatFundedTrader for that. And yeah, so we took the trade, and yeah, we were pretty much out within what time did we get out? by half to the next day. So yeah, pretty accurate decisions. And then we can just see where price ended up to this day. So it rallied all the way up to 7.5%, which is insane, to be honest. So let's just hop onto the dashboard. Right, so we are currently on the dashboard of GoatFunded. It is a very clean dashboard, to be fair, and you can see our, we've got here 100% win rate from this trade. We took one trade, and that was the only trade. Doubled up on the risk for a 2%. I see it was a 1 to 2, so I doubled up the risk and gave it a little bit of a boost. And yeah, so see here, $2,000 here, which is 4% of that. So yeah, it's pretty insane when we think about it, to be fair. Like, yeah, largest profit, 2,032 average here. And as you can see, one win a day. So that's all it takes. You don't have to have any trading days or anything like that to pass. So yeah, we did pass it. I've paid for the account, and we'll just see how we get on. I'm going to trade this on my normal strategy, and yeah, we'll see. So if you want to see any other challenges, and let me know in the comments below with any other firms. If you want me to try another firm with the AI, or if you want me to try trade on my own, it's completely up to you. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see, and yeah, we'll see. But yeah, it's been insane. GoatFunded, yeah, they're very good, to be fair. So yeah, we'll see what we can get out of GoatFunded with this. Right, as you can see behind me is the 50k certificate, just to prove that we did complete the challenge. So if you do want to get yourself on one of these challenges, and I've left a link down below. And yeah, good luck trading, everyone.